Today, we are taking a look at the Xanavi Nismo GTR R34 kit for the Super GT Series kit from Tamiya. 124 scale curbside kit. Released in 2003 as the first of the three new Super GT Skyline kits. Following in 2004 was the Xanavi Special Edition, which it had the metal chassis plate and other things. And then the Sonic R34 followed that. It's today's What's in the Box. And now getting started with the body. And now we're going to get started with parts tree B. Start up here at the top. You have the rear wing, part of the spoiler, part of the roll cage vent piece, wing inlets. Have the left side roll cage bar, a tank, some more body pieces, suspension piece. Top part of the roll cage, side body pieces, fuel filler. Over here you have the right side roll cage, more body pieces, the hood vents, suspension piece of there, upper control arm I believe. Now we're going to take a look at parts tree C. Start up top here, you have the inner front wheel wells with the top part of the control arms, the jacks, the inside taillight buckets, tow hooks, the wheel hubs. Yeah, take a look at the wheels. Exhaust pipe there on the right. Let's take a look at the brakes and rear axle assembly piece, rear suspension piece I should say, the control arms. I think those are the upper control arm pieces. There's the brake rotors, good amount of detail. And here you have the more suspension pieces, tie rods, axle shafts, axle rods, gear shift, lever pedals. Over here you have the spindles. Getting started with parts tree A, which is a little mix of interior, chassis, suspension parts. I'll take a look at the interior bucket. Here we have two steering wheels, rearview mirror, part of the dash, the second part of the steering column, mirrors and antenna, and we have a wiper. Back here we have the rear wheel well, rear part of the chassis piece, as well as the interior door panels. Here we have the front headlight bucket, grille ducting, goes behind the fascia piece, the dash, which has basically no detail, it's just a dash. Now we're going to turn our attention to the race slick tires. See the poly caps in the bag. Now we're going to take a look at parts trees D, E, and F, which should be the clear and transparent clear parts trees. First, D, declare clear. So you have the front and side window piece, headlight lenses, rear window, side rear windows, the B-pillar windows, headlight projector lenses there, our pieces there. Now we have E, which will be the taillight lenses, the main part of the taillight lenses, and then F, which will be molded in orange, which will be the turn signal lenses, indicators for the front and rear. And now we're going to take a look at the decals and other last bit of detail items. First, we have the window mask sheet, mesh screen for doing the vents, metal transfers for the mirrors, GTR badge and a Nissan badge, and a set of tire wet transfers, Bridgestone potenzas. And now we're going to take a look at the decals. First we have the, I guess we'll call this little detail decal sheet. And we have the main Xanavi Motel decal sheet. So that is going to do it for the Xanavi Nismo GTR R34 kit from Tamiya. I know I'm not pronouncing that right. Anyways. So then, thanks you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.